wait around, cause it gotta go, the Agata Gogh show. Can't wait around, cause it gotta go show, the Agata Gogh show, the Agata Gogh show.
Hey, it's me, Agata Gogh, and today I'm gonna show you how to bring your flat wish $35 wig into something that is a curly, bigger $35 wish wig. But we'll call this the quick and dirty. You know, the quick and dirty, make your hair bigger. You don't have a lot of time, you're on a budget. You don't really know what's going on or where you're going to end up, but you want that wig to be less flat and more exciting. So we're gonna take you from this mess, beaten down, run down, turned up, horrible, look at these little tentacles, ugh, to this mess. Ooh. So yeah, bitch, get into it. We're gonna have a nice time. So we're gonna show you how to steam and straighten it, and how to give it, how to curl it, and how to give it a little bit of body, addy. So we'll show you some back combing. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna steam her. I'm gonna do this in 2 layers because this is too much. So there's this line here, and so you can just pull that and pull it all into a ponytail. And we'll do the bottom half first, and then we'll do the top half. This hair's pretty crunchy, honey. There's 2 types of hair, creamy and crunchy. Since mine is handheld, I just like to go and just have it on both sides and just very slowly detangling it. This is the most annoying part about doing a wig. It's just brushing it. You just brush it for a very long time. So right when you think that you're done, you're probably not done. You probably have 2 hours to go. So just keep going. Just keep going, live your full fantasy. The more tangles that you get out, the nicer your curls will look, because then none of your curls will have tangles. Gather up all of your strength and get ready for this bullshit. We're gonna do the exact same thing to the top layer. We're just gonna tie up this hair, and then we're gonna take this one out, and we're gonna do the exact same thing and just repeat. And then once you're done, it'll all be this beautiful, flowy, hands through it. No one could tell you a damn thing about your wig after that.
Cause it gotta go, the Agata Gogh show. Can't wait around, cause it gotta go show, the Agata Gogh show.
Alright, so now that we've been brushing this thing for like an hour, honestly, it's very easy to get all this stuff through now. I'm gonna do just a little bit more steam on the bottoms. It's a little frizzy on the bottom, so I'm gonna get rid of that frizz. And then we're gonna put this bitch in curlers, honey. I know it's crazy to straighten it, but otherwise you have bad curls. Do you want bad curls? I don't want bad curls.
Will the curls turn out ugly? We don't know. Find out next time on the Agata Gogh show. Find out next time on the Agata Gogh show.
Thank you so much for watching this foolish video. For more information, we've got Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, something else, other things, Twitter, everything at Agata Gogh. I'm Agata Gogh, and I gotta go.